Hello everyone. So I just wanted to let people know that YouTube has a lot of times errors when you try to upload videos to YouTube. Sometimes you see processing has started. So when the actual video uploaded and it says processing has started, I'll show you what I mean by that. Okay, well, I cannot show you, but anyways, it says processing cannot start anyways, or processing has started. Or sometimes it says 0% processing or 95% processing. So there are a lot of theories why this happens. Okay, and I'm going to tell you all the reasons why it could possibly happen. Now, the last thing actually worked for me. So try this, okay? So the things that could happen is that maybe the video is just too large and you need some extra time to process the video. If it goes on longer than a whole night, then you know there's something wrong with the upload. If the file is very small, under a few hundred megabytes, then there's something wrong with either the file. Okay, the file is corrupted, it's a wrong format, or some kind of wrong encoder or audio or something is not right. Now let's say you've uploaded videos before with the same exact process and method and it just doesn't seem to be working anymore. And you get processing has started or 0% processing or 95% processing or something like that, and it's been going on for a very, very long time, more than an hour. Then there's some options that you can do. You can go to your computer and you can go to that file and then you can just close the window and reopen it again. Some people say that has worked. Then there are other things that you can actually, some people have said that if you put the video to public, it will actually work. So click on that video, it will go to the actual video and it'll still say processing, and you just save the video to public instead of the other options. Now, those things, all of those things did not work for me. And I was so frustrated and I'm like, why doesn't it work? Sometimes when you delete the file and you re-upload it, it works. So try that. Now, if that doesn't work, you can try another option. It is the final option that I found that worked for me. So let's say the file is still in process. It's 0% or 95% or just says video in process or something like that. So what you want to do is you want to keep that running, okay? And you want to upload the exact video again, but with a different title, okay? Completely different title. Then you upload it, and it worked for me. It worked several times for me. Just doing that helped. So what I did, basically, was I had the video, the original video, uploaded, and it said processing has started, or processing 95%, or whatever it is. Usually for me, it was 95%. And it was stuck at 95% for even a whole night. I had the video loading for a whole night and still it said video processing 95%. And I'm like, why is that? My video is only like 40 or 50 megabytes. It's really like small, such a small file. So this even happened with this video that I have right down here that says 253 megabytes. And it happened to me. So I did the exact same thing. I just uploaded it again and I basically just uploaded it again with a different title. Now when I did that, I kept that window open. So I was uploading it through YouTube app, the app, YouTube app on my phone, on my Android phone. I was uploading it through there. I just left that YouTube window open. It took something like 8 or 9 minutes to upload the entire video, and the processing took very little time. So I don't know why it does it. I don't know why there's so many errors, but this one worked for me. Now I checked everywhere, and I just don't know why nobody suggested this, to actually upload the video again while the other one is still in processing. So I did that. It seemed to work, but again, you have to put a different title. I mean, it may work with the same title, but I tried it with a different title and it worked. So try that, okay? Try that and see if that works. So that's really about it, everybody. Thank you very much. This video has been sponsored by Evolution Diet Pet Food. It's the first and the only complete nutrition for cats and dogs. It's completely vegan formula for cats and dogs and for all other animals. So get it right now, petfoodshop.com. Their prices are very reasonable. It's competitive pricing. It's really great service, really great people. Lynn and Eric Wiseman are really amazing people. I know them personally. Otherwise, yeah, get their products at petfoodshop.com. They're the sponsor for my work that I do. I'm really grateful to them for helping me continue this work. And please do buy from them, because the more people buy from them, the more they can help me. So that's really about it, everybody. And don't forget to like this video, share it around all your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click that little bell icon to receive notifications in your email. And don't forget to subscribe to my email newsletter. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.